What's up, y'all? Mike here from Flyzone Fpv. Today we're going to do some flying on another frame that I just got, the 533 Flipswitch. I actually have two of them. This has a different stack and it has different motors on there. I'd like to give a big shout out to Jimmy for sending me his frame. He didn't want it, so now I have two. But if you're interested in getting the Flipswitch, I highly recommend it. It does fly great. It's light. You could go down to the link below this video. There's an affiliate link. Just click on it, purchase it. Appreciate your support, and let's go. We'll see you in a little bit.